Levy, Home Depot has many windows that offer maximum benefit at a value. But judging on what you needed to have accomplished, which was energy efficiency and ease of maintenance, I have selected the Simenton 6500. This is a wonderful window, and I will go over a little of the details of what it consists of and how it achieves that great energy conservation and the loss of heat from your home, and also maintenance. If you look over here, this is the vinyl outside. This vinyl outside, it's called virgin vinyl, and simply what it means is that it's not recycled vinyl, so it won't peel, chip, buckle, or crack. Now, the majority of heat loss is often found, in fact, always found, in this part right here. This is the main window, and that main window actually is getting so much sun from the outside, and I'm actually going to show you a little bit later how the sun actually does affect the amount of heat which is drawn into your home, consequently making your meter go rounds and rounds and rounds, making money go out the door. This window is actually a double pane piece of glass. What it looks like is this, okay? There are two pieces of glass which are 3/16 of an inch, and the glass has on it metallic particles. This is called the E factor, and what they do is they retard the heat from coming into the house because the heat is bounced off and goes back outside again. Consequently, the heat in your home as well stays inside as well. Also, within this two-pane piece of glass is argon gas. Argon gas is odorless. It is non-toxic and very safe. So no worries about anything with emissions of argon, and it doesn't emit from the gas anyway. But the point being, the argon gas is 6 times heavier than air, so it's another insurance against insulation. There's a divider or a spacer in the center, and what that does is that expands and contracts as the temperature of the air gets warmer or hotter. So this glass, which, and you can see it, it's pretty heavy and pretty substantial piece of glass, is on both of these windows. Now this is a your windows are double hung, and this is a double hung piece, double hung window. I'm going to show you in a second what glass does when it's double pane and when it's insulated. This is a single pane piece of glass. This is what you currently have in your home right now. It's a double hung window, but it's a single pane piece of glass. It is not a great retardant for conserving energy and keeping heat in your home and or keeping cold air out. And the way I can show you that is the following. I'm going to lift this up, and I'm going to place this inside. Okay. Now, I have this heat lamp, and this heat lamp is going to make this radiometer move. The radiometer is actually a reflection of solar heat and how much solar heat is going through your home. So you'll see the radiometer is spinning and spinning and spinning. What does that mean? Well, it's the equivalent of your meter spinning and spinning and spinning, meaning a lot of money loss. So the next type of glass or technology that was developed was a double pane of glass. Now, this double pane of glass, it's going to be stronger, it's going to be more efficient, and you'll notice with the heat lamp now, it's turning around a little bit slower, but it's still turning around substantially. So the third piece of glass is this one, and it has insulation in it. You're familiar with insulation, right? Sure. Okay, so this piece of glass, now the radiometer isn't spinning at all. So that means you saved on the loss of heat. But there's a problem with this, right? You can't see through it. It's not a great window. So consequently, we have developed this double pane piece of glass. That's all. You can turn it off.